Hey guys, it's Nathan with Dalton RV. Today I just wanted to show you a brand new trade-in that we just got in. This unit is a 2022 Wolf Pup 16FQ. We just got this on trade-in today from folks that came in and just upgraded to a larger camper. As you can see, it does have the backup camera already installed on top. You also have the rack in the back to store everything. Inside there, outside fridge. This does also have these stable steps, which is a very nice addition. In here, this does have the Murphy bed set up. So you have the couch during the day, then this folds down, and the mattress folds over top to make the bed. The customers that own this actually did do a few upgrades. Usually you only have cabinet doors in the middle. They add cabinet doors to the left and to the right here. Over here you have your kitchen area with the sink, 2-burner stovetop. Also the microwave and the large 12-volt refrigerator that will keep cold going down the road, running off of your truck's power. You have the dinette here. AC up top. Over here you've got the radio, then your monitor control panel. There is an app that is available with this where you can control everything that is on this monitor panel off of your phone. That is also how you pair up the backup camera. This unit is also equipped with a battery disconnect, which is right down here, and a solar panel that is already installed on the top that will keep your battery and your refrigerator going down the road. This unit does have a larger back bathroom than most Wolf Pups, with a sink and the medicine cabinet that the customer added. Over here is the shower.